Everybody, how's it going? This is Errol, and that's E. And E. So, today, I want to show you how you can get Office for free. What do you mean Office for free? Yes, free. Look, I'm going to show you. I'll show them. Bro, for free. You can't get Office for free. Bro, prove it. Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Errol E. So today I want to talk about how to get Office for free. Now, before we begin, yes, I do work for Microsoft. Now, you might be thinking, Office for free? And yes, this is legal. You can get Office for free on the web. So as we all know, you can do Google Docs for free. So, Google Docs is a great tool to do like docs, sheets, slides. So that's the equivalent of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But not many people know, from businesses, mom and dad, personal use, to students, that you can get Office for free. So I'm going to show you guys today how to get Office for free and get things done. So first thing you want to do is go to office.com right here. And this is where you're able to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you can create a Microsoft account for free. That is just using a username, so an email address. Could be an Outlook.com, a Hotmail, anything tied to your Xbox. That is your Microsoft account. And then you will create a password. Now, a lot of times we might not think we have a Microsoft account, but you do. So all you have to do is click on sign in here, put in your email address, and boom, you're in. So once you go to office.com, now you're able to see your landing page right here. So I always like to say for students as well, check to see if you have Office already. So just go to office.com, sign in with your school's credentials, and see if you have Office. All right. So now that we're here in our landing page on office.com, you get this nice familiar interface. So if we look right here, this is where I get to see all of the different Office applications from my Outlook. So if I have Outlook.com or Hotmail or MSN, you're able to check your email. And also too, you can integrate your Gmail email in there. So nice tidbit. Now you have OneDrive. So think about OneDrive as your cloud, one place to organize everything in your life. So whether you want to back up photos, documents, videos, Microsoft gives you free 5 gigs of cloud storage. Now, this is what we all came to see, the Office application. So a lot of people use Google Docs, but really, if you think about it, Office is king across all industries. So when students graduate from high school and they're going into college, they're not going to be writing their papers in a Google Doc or doing a presentation in a Google slide. They're going to be using the actual Word, the actual PowerPoint, the actual Excel, and those are the tools that's really going to help them advance in the future. So as you can see right here, if I click on Word, now it's going to give me all different templates that I can use. Now you might be wondering, this says premium template. So yes, you can do Office for free and you get 5 gigs free of cloud storage using OneDrive. So if you need to create a Word document, a PowerPoint, Excel, back up a tiny bit of photos, you can do that. But with this premium, that means you get more advanced features. So if you want to do Office 365, so think about that as like you'll get everything that you need from Office. So you get the desktop version of Office. You'll also get 1 terabyte worth of cloud storage. That's amazing. It's like 70 a year. Now, if you have a family, for $100 a year, you get Office 365 Home, and that would give up to 6 users 1 terabyte of cloud storage for each individual user. And you can put Office on multiple devices from iPhones, Androids, Mac, PCs, you name it. So I just want to give you a little tidbit on, yes, you can do the free version, but also there's a lot of benefits when you migrate over to 365 when the time is right for you. All right, so as you can see here, if we're in Word, I get to see more templates. Now I get to select a template that I have. Now I'm using Office Online, so I would need an internet connection to utilize this feature right here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a Word document right here. So once I open up that Word document, what's gonna happen is now I'm able to do and edit this document right here in the cloud. So you see right here, I have that familiar ribbon across here. So I have my home where I can see all my different text and fonts. Insert, if I want to insert a picture or anything, or insert it from Bing, I can do that too. Layout, references, review. One nice thing, especially if you are starting out, check this feature out right here, Resume Assistant. So if you upload your resume to your OneDrive, click on it, you're going to be able to utilize the power of LinkedIn right here. And that's going to be a great tool to help jumpstart your career and give you a little advice on how to write and build your resume. But let's say we have this Word document right here, and I realize there is a few misspellings. So what is it that I can do? Let's say I'm a student and I need to reach out to mom and dad. I need help, and help me like formulate my paper. I got it all done, but I need some assistance. Well, here's a great tool that you can use, and that is the share option. So if I click on share, right here, this is where I can share this document with someone. So the great thing is I'm in control over those permissions. So I can allow editing. So if I want them to edit with me or view with me, I can. Now you might notice that there are these like stars right here. So these are only premium features that you can get, but you can still navigate with the basic version of Office Online. So I already shared this document out with me, so I'm going to split my screen right here. So now I have 2 windows open. Now you'll notice that wherever I click, this is showing where I am. So for instance, if I wanted to make changes and just remove that, you can see automatically that it removes it on this side. So this is how we can collaborate together. Now let's say for instance I wanted to select this right here, and let's say we go to review, and let's say I wanted to add a comment. So now I can add this comment right here along the side, so I can start a conversation. So I can say, I fixed this misspelling. Ooh, here we go, misspelling. I removed the letter Z. Now, when I click there, now I'm able to see any comments that was left. So now if I come out of here, and I can see that there's a comment left for me right here. So another thing too is I'm going to make this bigger. So you'll notice right here that it says open in the desktop app. So that means if you already have Office 365 and the web view isn't doing it, you're able to open it up right here in the desktop application. So now I get to see all the great tools and features of Office. So if I really need to enhance this PowerPoint presentation a little bit more, or PowerPoint Word document a little bit more, I'm able to, if I want to, let's say, add a special theme to it. Let's see, what would be pretty cool? Maybe I want to have the heading be a little bit larger right here. Now everything is syncing to the cloud, so I don't need to save or find file save as. Everything is syncing to the cloud automatically, as you can see right here. So those are some of the nifty cool features of utilizing the office.com website. Now if you are on Windows 10, you have a little bit more insight. So you can actually open up the Office app right here, and now you get to view all your tools that you would online. But here's some of the great things. Whether you're on office.com or using the Office app on Windows 10, you have a lot of different tools. So I want to show you some of these tools right here real quick. So if I go back here, and let's say I want to jump back to my Office, and I'm going to hit more apps. Now this is going to give me a slew of different options. So right here I get to check my calendar if you do have a Hotmail or a Outlook.com email address, MSN. You have forms, so if you want to create surveys and quizzes and polls, you get to do that. Sway all day. That is a great tool where you can create interactive reports, presentations, personal stories, managing your contacts so it syncs across all of your devices. Creating a task so you can actually view all your different tasks in Microsoft To Do and your to-do list. OneDrive is your cloud, Word, PowerPoint, Excel right here. Flow. So think about those as like automated recipes that you can integrate with different applications. OneNote, digital notebook, where you can take notes across all your devices, and Skype for video calling. So I hope everyone here enjoyed a little bit on how to utilize office.com. So get started today using Office for free when you go to office.com.